In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit tax rates in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to open your sales tax settings, and what to keep in mind so your records stay accurate and compliant. First, open QuickBooks Online in your web browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're working in the correct company file before you make any changes. If you manage more than one company, double-check the company name at the top of the screen so you don't update the wrong books. Next, head to the Taxes area from the left-hand navigation. This takes you to the Sales Tax Center, where you can see your current tax setup at a glance. If you don't immediately see sales tax details, give the page a second to load and be sure you have the right permissions for tax settings. The Taxes section is the home base for everything related to tax rates, agencies, and how QuickBooks applies tax to your transactions. From here, look for Sales Tax Settings. This option opens the configuration panel for your sales tax. It's where you'll review the agencies you file with, the tax codes in use, and the rates that are currently active. Opening sales tax settings is the key step that puts all the relevant controls in one place, so you can adjust what you need with confidence. Once you're in sales tax settings, select Edit to make your changes. You can adjust the tax rate percentage, update labels or descriptions, and in some regions, confirm the tax agency details associated with that rate. Enter the new rate carefully and review it before saving. If there's a place to add a brief note or description, use it to record why the rate changed. This helps future you or anyone on your team understand the context. When everything looks correct, save your changes to apply the updated rate going forward. A few important tips as you edit. Changing a tax rate affects new transactions from this point forward. Existing posted transactions typically won't update automatically. If you've already filed taxes for a period, avoid altering historical rates without guidance, as it can impact your filings and reports. Keep an eye on your next invoices, estimates, and bills to ensure the updated rate is being applied as expected. And remember, tax rules vary by region. Some accounts use automated sales tax based on location, while others use manual rates, so what you see in your settings may differ slightly. That's it. You've opened QuickBooks Online, gone to Taxes, accessed sales tax settings, and used Edit to update your tax rate accurately and safely.